Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and today in this video I want to draw your attention towards a very sensitive topic because you are my family and this is something that I really wanted to share with you. So yesterday I was watching some YouTube videos of people who were hospitalized due to this corona. So they were sharing their experiences, and I was watching a video of a lady. She was fighting for her last breath, something that we always take for granted when we wake up early in the morning. So she was she was in her last breath, and she wanted to convey her message. She was herself a doctor and she was pregnant. So she was saying that I'm making this video because I really want to convey this message to you all, that please do not take it very lightly. This is not something we are being careless of. So please take care of yourself, take care of your family. Do not put your families at risk, right? So for government you are just a statistic, but for your family you are everything, right? So whenever you are going outside, and I would suggest you please do not go outside. Why I am telling you? Because I am seeing a lot of cases around me. I have seen a lot of careful people around me, like careless people around me. They are still opening their shops, and whenever they are going outside, they are not putting on mask. In my village also, there are so many people who always tell that there is nothing like corona, and this is like small fever which can be cured. So I don't think it is like that. So please take care of yourself, take care of your family. This is not something that we are taking it very lightly this time. So people who are in the hospital right now, they are badly missing their families. And one more thing that I wanted to share with you is that, well, this is my own experience. I'm not telling you to blame anyone, but what I have seen and but what I have observed, I am telling that. So in my village too, there are a lot of people who are positive with corona, and I'm seeing regularly, I'm observing everything, that they are getting well soon because they are quarantined in their own home. They have not gone to any hospitals, because hospitals, we already know that they are very crowded. So until and unless it is very necessary and if you are very serious, then only go to hospital. I believe that we should first quarantine ourselves in our home. So if your family member, if any of your friend has symptoms, then first of all try to give him or her cardas and some like medicines which can cure corona. Give them paracetamol, because I have seen so many cases people are getting well, and watching those videos really broke my heart. And that's why I'm saying that if somebody is somebody has COVID symptoms, then please quarantine him or her in your own house. So people were saying that before 2 or 3 days we are in the hospital, and they were saying to people that we are feeling short of oxygen, but nobody was listening to them. Everybody was very rude to them. Nobody was listening to them. People were dying at 3 p.m. but nobody is coming to take care of them. So that's why I observed everything, and I thought I should really share that with you. I have provided the link in the description of those videos. If you wish, you can watch them. So actually the very most important thing right now we should talk about is positivity. So I know that everybody is getting terrified, like what will happen if I will have corona. So the first and the most important thing is, please be positive. If any member of your family or your best friend anybody has corona, just talk to them, okay? Most of the people, they are dying because they are losing the hope that we can be alive, right? Because they are alone, nobody's coming to them. And this, because of this disease, because of this pandemic, we have to maintain the distance. Because of that, we are not able to come near those patients. So this is the main reason I think that people are dying, because they are losing the hope in themselves. So if any member of your family has symptoms of corona, then please talk to them. Don't go near them. Just have a talk on call, or you can also do video call. So that will also help them a lot. And take care of yourself and take care of that person. Be very positive with him or her, and do not tell him the other cases that that 300 people died yesterday, and this is going very serious. Don't tell all these things to him or her. Please be positive and spread positivity. This is all that we can do right now. And if your friends and if your relatives are still saying that no, there is nothing like corona, this is not that much serious, and they are blaming government, blaming doctors for that, then please tell them everything. Explain them that when you are going outside, please put on your mask and do not need to talk to others. So I hope I could help you, and I would request you to please put on your mask, and I would request you please do not go outside unnecessarily. Take care of your family and take care, because we are in the third wave of this COVID-19. So this wave is affecting children more. So take care of your small brothers and sisters, and thank you so much for watching me, and stay safe.